Hi everyone, I am Dr. Samada, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept list and tuples. A list and tuple is a collection of similar items. Now move on to that the both are list and tuples are this group of elements, and each and every element is separated by a comma. List is inside within a brackets, your tuple is inside within a function parenthesis. That is the main difference of that list and tuple. And each entry they have represented by a index. That is tuples and list both are represented by a index. It's beginning from 0 to n minus 1. For example, list l equal to 1, 2, 3, m equal to hello, by. That is within a square bracket to represent a list. And also they have a more than one type also it's available. That is n equal to 1, 2, hello. And L of 0 it is equal to 1 means it is true. If you specified the index, the content is displayed on your screen. And now move on to the tuple example. A equal to within a function parenthesis 1, 2, 3 and hello, by and 2, hello. That is the two examples are same thing. Within a square bracket is a list and within a function parenthesis is a tuple. Now elements of items. Now the list having identify the list of items. It is called as the element, the value of a particular list. It is called as a element or item within specified in a square bracket and separated by a comma operator. 10, 20, 30 is the example for integer. And hi, hello, welcome is the example of string. Nested list. The nested list is a list contains within another list. For example, good is a string. 10, the third position, that is second index have another list. That is a list within a list. It is called as nested list. Empty list. Your only a list name followed by a empty brackets. It is called as empty list. There is no content inside a list. Assigning a list value to a variable. Your variable name equal to followed by a list of values within a square bracket. It is called as assigning a list values. For example, 40, 121, the two integer values assigned. That is indexes 0 and 1. Similarly, characters x, y. The characters represent by single quotes. That is a 0 index identified by x, 1 index identified by y. Now you print number, characters means display to list. List operation. It is using an arithmetic operator to performing a list operation. Now plus operator, they perform concatenating two lists. There is no addition, just concatenating two lists. For example, a equal to 1, 2, 3, b equal to 4, 5, 6. If you that using c equal to a plus b, the both lists are concatenated. If you print c, now the output is the single list display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the second operator asterisk. The asterisk operator is to give a repeated content. For example, 0 index into 4 means the 0 index content display 4 times. For example, 0 index is a 0 means the 0 is a display 4 times. For example, 1, 2, 3 list into 3 means the 3 times is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This is the asterisk. List slice. From your list to extracting a part of a portion, it is called as slicing. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F. That is index beginning with 0 to 5. If you display 1, 2, 3 means just from 1 index and 2 indexes display. That is X and Y. List of method is available. Append, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort. These are all the inbuilt list methods are available. Append means your end of the list is content is added. Count to identify the total number of content inside a list. Extend the list. Index is to you specified the data to identify the index values. Insert of I comma data means your specified location to inserting the content, and pop is removing the content, and remove is specified location is removed. The pop means the last content is removed. Reverse, the shorter the order the list, and short means sorting the list. The list of lists. The list is using a looping statement, that is for x in my list. If len of x equal to 2 and x, the content is check the condition equal to 2. Now display the output. Similarly, they are using a string, red, green, blue and purple. Mutability, your list is a mutability. And analyzing, it is swapping two numbers, that is a equal to value and b equal to a. Now the value is assigned. And closing the list. The list parameter, it is immutable. There is a next one is a tuple. Tuple also it's a sequence of values. It is represented in a function parenthesis. As per the before using as samples, the list samples here also the same supported. T equal to a b c d e within a function parenthesis. T1 equal to a. The single also available and multiple also available. Tuple assignment. Temp, for example, using a temporary variable to swapping a values, temp equal to a equal to b and b equal to temp. Here the short operator is a comma b equal to b comma a. They indirectly to swapping a two values. Tuples returning a value. The tuple also returning a value, that is t equal to div mod of 7 comma 3. Dividing a two number, that is 3 is divided by 7, the remainder is 1. Thank you.